Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Pull the hood release lever located about 6 inches below the left side of the steering column. The lever is a black plastic tab labeled with a hood icon near the kick panel. Bend forward and reach with your hand. Pull firmly until you hear the primary latch pop open with an audible click. If the lever feels loose, cycle it twice to ensure the cable frees. In cold weather, the cable can stiffen, so pull steadily rather than jerking. Reach under the hood center and press the secondary latch to the right while lifting the hood. Lift the hood until the prop rod is reachable on the passenger side fender well. Some models have lift struts, but many Trax models use a rod. Insert the prop rod into the designated hole in the hood edge to secure it. Make sure the rod is fully seated and the hood sits stable before leaning over the engine. If the hood resists, recheck the secondary latch orientation. Lower the hood to about 12 to 18 inches above the latch and let it drop to engage. This prevents repeated slamming. Verify the hood is fully latched by pressing down firmly until you hear the secondary click and giving the front a gentle tug. Check around the hood perimeter and the latch area for tools or obstructions before driving. If the hood does not latch, close it again more squarely and test the interior release. For updated models with struts, do not.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.